How to reset JCPENNEY credit card login password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to reset your JCPENNEY credit card login password, just head over to your JCPENNEY credit card which is issued by Synchrony Bank, and once you're inside here, just locate this hamburger icon at the top right corner if you are using it via online, and just select account section from over here, which will take you to the login screen. So just wait for a few seconds until it loads. And so once you enter all of your details over here, and if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this I forgot my user ID or password, and you can just click on this password red highlighted button over here, just like this, which will take you to the link over here. So to reset your password, you just have to use the primary account holder information such as your user ID and as well as your zip code, and simply follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password as well as confirmation password, and simply click on login after successfully creating your new password. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.